there! In this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign up and create your account on Vcardvault, your all-in-one digital business card and NFC solution. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to vCardvault.com. Once you're on the home page, sign in or register at the top right corner of the screen. With Sign In, you can easily use Google account to sign in easily. Recommended if you click on Register in Registration page, set up your new account. Here I'll enter my name, email address, and password. Make sure the email you use is one you can access easily because you'll receive your confirmation link and updates here. Then retype your password to confirm it. You can also add a referral or affiliate code if someone invited you. That's optional, but if you were referred by a partner, make sure to include it so they get credit for your registration. Now I'll click Register. You will see account was created successfully. Next, head over to your email inbox if prompted. You'll find a verification email from Vcardvault. Open it and click on the verification link. This step is super important. It confirms your identity and ensures your account is secure. Once you've verified, you can log in right away by clicking Login at the top of the website. Enter your email and password. And here we are inside the Vcardvault dashboard. This is your main control panel. From here, you'll be able to create your vCards, manage WhatsApp stores, see appointments, view affiliations, and access everything you need. Before moving on, I recommend you take a quick look around. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see all your main tools. We'll cover each of them in the next tutorial, Mentor. But first, congratulations. You've officially joined Vcardvault and your digital identity journey just began. Now in the next video, we'll create your first vCard and customize it step by step. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you have any problems, contact Vcardvault support. Contact on screen. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.